This is a bag contains 30 identical balls, 10 yellow, 12 red, and 8 blue. If two balls, okay, let's try to pull out that solution. Said that's total number in the bag is 30. So you have 30 balls in the bag. So I said number of 10 yellow. Number of yellow is equals to 10. Number of red. Number of red equals to 8. No, 12. 12 red and 8 blue. Number of blue is then equals to 8. Okay, the question is, a bag contains 30 identical balls, 10 yellow, 12 red, and 8 blue. If two balls are drawn from the bag, one after the other, without replacement, what is the probability that question A, not yellow, question B, yellow then other color, question C, both are same color, question D, first blue, second white, okay, then question E, not white. Why did I say white? Okay, let's just continue, it's fine. 10 plus, the first thing was do that everything here add it up. 10 number of red plus number of yellow plus number of blue, do we have 30? Because with this one I'm saying white. Let's see where the 30 come, where the white come from. 12 plus 8, that's 20. 20 plus 10 is 30 already, which means in the bag there is no ball that is white. Assuming I have, let's say, this number of red here, let's say 4. I can now say 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 8, that's 22. Which means it has not yet complete 30. That means the number of white balls will now be what? The remaining ball to make it 30. But since all these numbers here, all this color already make it up to 30, definitely there is no what? White ball. Probability of picking white ball equals to what? Is 0. Because we have said it before that probability that an event will not occur is what? Is 0. Probability that it will surely occur is 1. Then probability that we are not sure is now ranging from what? Is either a number greater than what? 0, or a number greater or less than, no, a number less than what? Less than 1. So let's solve this question. I said for question A, let me divide this board again. For question A, they said not yellow, which means I'm not picking this yellow. That means probability of not picking yellow will be equals to, okay, let's go now. Of not picking yellow, that means I can either pick first red, then second yellow. I can either pick red or blue. So that means probability of picking red, which is what? 12 over 30, or, do you get that? That's no, that's not all. I'm drawing one after that. I pick the first one. Let's assume that I pick red, and I pick the second one. I have what? Blue. That means I have blue for the second. That's 8 over, is it 30 or 29? Remember this keyword. See the keyword here. Without replacement. So I pick the first one. There are 30 balls in the bag. I picked the first one. I kept it in my pocket. I saw that it was what? It was red. So I picked the next one. Remember, it was the total ball in the basket, in the bag now is not up to 30 again. It's now what? Less than 30. I picked one ball earlier. So if I remove that one ball from 30, that's what? It's meaning 29. So the total ball that is meaning in the bag is what? 29. I can either have this, or I should pick the first one, which will now be what? Blue. That's 8 over 29 times, and I'll pick the second one. It will now give me what? Yellow. It will give me red, and red is what? 12 over, no, not 29. If I pick the first one, 30 over 12 over 29. From here, then I can multiply. So my probability for question A, probability of not picking yellow ball, is then equals to 12 times 8. 12 times 8, 96. 96 over 30 times 29, 370. Or simply means plus. We've said it in the previous video. please, you can go and watch the previous video. I explained probability notes there. So we are only here to solve questions. If you have not watched it, please do to go and watch it. 8 times 12 is the same thing as 12 times 8. 8 times 12 is still 96 divided by 370. So let's add it together. 96 plus 96, that's then equals to 192 divided by 370. Because the denominator will not change. Then 192 divided by 370, I have 0.52 approximately, actually. Okay, let's move to the part B. What was question B saying? Part B of that question said yellow, then color, then other color. Now in this place, they're actually based on what? On the arrangement, which means probability of picking yellow, then any other color, yellow and any other color, either blue or red, would then be equals to what? For picking yellow first, if I pick yellow first, I'm going to have yellow first. Yellow first is 10. So I have 10 over total number 30. That's the first row. If I first draw it, I can have this. And what now? And blue. So if I have blue, what's blue? Blue is 8 over 29. I can either have this, or I should have, which is plus what now? Don't forget, I said yellow first. So that's 10 over 30 times, then I can pick what? Red next. And red is what? 12 over 29. So, oh my god. Bringing this to this question, and let me just take the question away. I should leave what I need to find. The reason the denominator is actually decreasing is because I pick one, I do not replace it back before picking the next one. So the number of balls that are there will be decreasing as I pick balls, because I do not return it. Just as if I have 1k in my account, I remove 200 from the 1k, then I do not return the 1k. I do not return the 200 now. That means the 1k in my account has valued to 800. If I move out that 200 again, that's 600. It will be decreasing. It will not be constant. So from here now, we say what? 10 times 8 should be 80 divided by 20 times 29. 30 times 29, we say it is 370 plus 10 times 12. 10 times 12 is 120 divided by 370. So bringing this together, we say 80 plus this, that's 200 divided by 370. 0 can cancel 0. Then 20 divided by 37. 20 divided by 37, I have 0.54. 0.54. Very, very close value, but not that close. Okay, the difference is 0.02. Okay, let's continue for part C. What's part C asking me? Both are the same color. It's very simple. Probability that both are same color will be equals to what? Will be equals to probability that I pick the first one. It is what? It is yellow. That's 10 over 30 times. Now, I love this question. I picked the first one. It was yellow, right? That's 10 over 30. I kept it in my pockets. Now, I kept it there. Now remember, the remaining ball in the bag is now 29, isn't it? Now I picked the next one. I saw it again. Oh, it is yellow again. Remember, total number of yellow balls there before was 10. Now I picked the next one. That means when I picked the first one, it was remaining how many days? It was remaining just 9 there. That's for yellow. I think you understand. I have explained all these parts in my previous video. Or I can either pick yellow and yellow, or I should pick what? Yeah, red and red, or I should pick blue and blue. So if I pick red and red, what will I have? That's 12 over 30 times 11 over 29. Or I should have, remember, or simply means what? Plus. So whenever I say or, what should come to your mind is what? Plus. And if I say and, what should come to your mind is what? Times. Or I should have red and red. So what was red? When we say the number of, I've done for red, I should have blue and blue. For blue is, we say is 8/30. And blue and blue now. Blue and blue. That's 7/29. And I think for me I can get my final answer. So 10 times this is 90. Oh, I'll need to clean this side because I don't want to clean the question, so I won't be looking for it. Okay, let's forget. Number of yellow ball is 10. Number of red ball is 12. The number of blue ball is 8. So I can take all these away. That's the only thing I need from this part of the board. Okay. Then I can say from here. Then from here I can say I have from what I have here, still solving C. I can say I have for question C, that's 10 times 90 is 10 times 9 is 90 divided by 370 plus 12 times 11 is 121. You say 12 times 11. Okay, 132. 132 divided by 370, and the last part plus 7 times 8 should be 56. 7 times 8, 56. Yeah, 56 divided by 370. So from here I can say 56 plus 132 plus 90. That gives me 278. So we say that then equals to 278 divided by 370. And then that's this value is even high. Divided by 370, we have 0.75. 0.75. And that's the final answer for that. Now for part D, which, okay, it's not even the last one. Oh, I erased part E. My goodness. Oh, part E is not white. What is the full question? Okay, part D, they say first is blue, second is white. Oh, this one is even simple now. Probability that I pick blue, and next one is now white. That means that will be equals to probability of picking blue. Blue ball is 8. That's 8/30 times of picking white ball. I don't have white ball in the bag. That means number of white balls in the bag is equals to 0. 0 divided by 29. 0 times 8, that's 0. 30 times this is 370. 0 divided by 370 equals 0. Then for part E, which is the last one, I said probability of obtaining white ball. That should be equals to 0 because I don't have white ball in the bag. So that's 0 divided by 30. And that's what? And that's oh, hold on, that's what they asked me. For question E, I say not white. Oh, they did not say white, not white. There's not even white in the basket. That means probability of picking not white. Oh my goodness. Probability of picking not white could be equals to 1. How do I guess that? In the bag, I have blue ball, I have red ball, and I have yellow balls. Yes, I have all these balls. Now, what is the probability that when I took hand in this place, I will not pick a white ball? Is there even white ball there? No. Which means I can either pick yellow 10/30, or I should pick what? 12/30, which is red, or I should pick blue 8/30. That's mathematically. If you don't want to do it this way, you can do it this way also. So let's go now. We say 10 plus 12, that's 22. 22 plus 8, that's 30. 30 divided by 30, that's still 1. So if you watch previous video, we've said before that probability of picking of So summation of probability of an event is always equals to 1. And like I said, probability of not picking white. I can never pick white because there's no white ball in the bag. Do you get that? So that's for question 3. Now moving to question 4.